In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the rectangle tool in Photopea. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refine your design skills, mastering this tool will enable you to create clean and precise shapes for your projects. First, let's get started by heading over to Photopea, which is an online photo editor accessible through your web browser. You don't need to download or install anything, which is great if you're short on hard drive space or using a public computer. Once you're on the website, the next thing you'll want to do is click on P Drive. This is Photopea's built-in cloud storage solution where you can manage your projects more effectively. It allows you to save your work and easily access it from any device as long as you're logged in. Now that P Drive is open, let's move on to opening your project. If you already have a project saved, go ahead and open it. Alternatively, if you're starting fresh or working on something new, you can easily upload an image or create a new project from scratch. This step is crucial as it sets the background or the workspace where you'll be designing. With your project open, look toward the toolbar on the left side of the screen where you'll find the rectangle tool. It's usually represented by a simple square icon. Click on this tool to activate it. This tool is fundamental for adding basic shapes to your design, which can serve as borders, background elements, or even masks for layering effects. Next, you'll want to place the rectangle in your desired position within your project. Simply click and drag across your canvas to form the rectangle. You can control its size and proportions by the movement of your mouse or trackpad while holding down the click. Take your time to experiment with different shapes until you find a placement that suits your design goals. Once the rectangle is placed, you can customize it further by using the top toolbar, which provides various settings for your shape. This toolbar is your friend when it comes to tweaking and enhancing the rectangle's appearance. You can change the fill color to better match your project's palette, or adjust the stroke, which is the border or outline of the rectangle, to add more definition. These settings give you the flexibility to ensure your design is as polished and visually appealing as possible. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully learned how to use the rectangle tool in Photopea. Experiment with different settings and placements to create unique and stunning designs. Don't forget to save your work frequently, and feel free to explore other tools in the application to further enhance your creative projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing.